J-73994-2. This is video number 2 being taken in the series. The first video we could only get up to 74 feet with all the debris in the pipe. We've just used a 3-inch 4-blade cutter, gone in and out about 135 feet. So we have gotten past this 132-foot spot. 132 feet is right at the connection into the main. The main is basically in the center line of the road. Appears to be flowing south on the road. The branch off of the main looks to be concrete and 6-inch. We have pooling water right off of the branch, so basically right up to 132 feet is the downstream end of the pool. And as we come back, it gets deeper. Water continuing. We do have a spacer bushing have a spacer bushing on the end of the camera now, but we are quite a bit under the water here. So the upstream end is at about 120. So 120 to 132 is the deeper pooling, and right here from 120 back we have more of a moderate ponding of water. Should be more of a trickle. Instead we have a rather wide bit of water here. Pipe material is still concrete. We have a lot of debris sitting on the bottom of the pipe as well. So 120 back to 150 is moderate pool. Again, a lot of debris sitting in the pipe. Here at 104 feet we have a transition between likely 6-inch concrete and 4-inch cast iron. We're going to pause to locate this position. Located this position in the yard. We're about 8 foot 10 inches deep. Something of note throughout this section here, the path of the water is quite wide. There seems to be quite a bit of debris on the bottom of the pipe, causing the water path to spread out pretty far. It gets really far over really wide here. It appears to be about 1/3 full through some of these sections. Again, we can see a lot of scale-like debris on the bottom, causing a wider path flow. Here is an example of what we'd like to see throughout the whole pipe length, is just a modest stream on the bottom. Here we have pretty nice path of flow. Visible on the top of the screen is the intermediary yard cleanout. This is located on the southwest corner of the house in the yard. We're at 62 feet at that yard cleanout Y. Again, the path of flow widens a lot through here. Yet to be determined if this is related to the debris on the bottom of the pipe or something else. We had a lot of solids accumulating in this section up to at least the 74-foot mark. Changing direction at the corner here. The turn is at about 32 feet on the counter. Flow through this section is rather nice looking. Just a moderate stream of water in the bottom. On the counter, the transition from horizontal to vertical is 9 feet. Going up the vertical riser at the rear cleanout. House is teeing in on the vertical riser. Access to the yard cleanout behind the house. There we can see